7th day in the month of April 2026. Na mehu adie bi over the weekend na mani age kakra, but upon review kakra ewo emu no na afi we had a lot of questions to ask. Na ehu hia se yetimudi mu nkomo anopai. Yen nyina yenim adwuma ho nsɛm a ɛkɔso wɔ man mu na mpempi no ya na enwuma ho nsɛm ayɛ deninti no. Wɔn ɛkɔ teacher training, nursing training ne ade na wɔn wie a na wɔn hwɛ animu sɛ aban ebe posti wɔn anaasɛ wɔn awie wɔn national service no aban ebe ma wɔn baabi akɔyɛ adwuma. Na nia yenim ne sɛ afibia no anesifo wie afibia teacherfo wie na aban hya ase se ofa nipa omo de ho nsem ebetodwa na ya kyeremu se ebia womo a ewie afimpinu ani bia aduonu afimpinu ani aduonu baako afimpinu ni ye kyerɛ se ebia afiwi ye fa anesifo a wonomo awie saafi ana afi bia aban ni fi se ne ho so a otumifa. And this has been the norm. Anase aye ade a ewo hode bia nti se teacher ni ananese ni ewie a wonim se anya hwe no enkwa be afi mfie mienu ntemu ni ade de ekɔ no aban se nyese bia wa fail ni exams bi na eso otworo hyem a ebema na delay dia enkwa nkasa aban abie mu ama omo aduru won so no de na kyese wonim se wo benya adwuma aye. Enti aban aya apomuden asoye no de krata ba bonten na wotwetwe mu no awie mu. Na nia kyerɛ nyina ne sɛ aban aye krado sɛ obefa anesefo wo mu a ehwɛ yade ahodoɔ ni bi wo mu so agi awo no so kan nurses and midwives. Na krata we ne ba bonten on the 1st of April or see recruitment of nurses and midwives. Now, also the Ministry of Health wishes to inform the general public that the Ministry of Finance has issued financial clearance to recruit 15,947 nurses and midwives. In fact, mihu we na meniaje, and then I was happy. Na me boy buy na basu because ejuma ho nsem de mabunu ni ejuma, and we are unemployment rate ni anesifu ebi atena fiache, edisu a omusu a ebinim wa over 3 years, 4 years o matena fia ni ade a dodo no anim baabi a wo fa after their national service. Aye din dia mom nti when I saw this na I am very happy. Now the next statement about the following day, it is we year 1st April. About the following day from the Ministry of Health PRO Ensa Eshasi, a good man, or say the Ministry of Health announces the commencement of nationwide recruitment of health professionals effective 16th April 2026. Sheba Akonans was 13th April 2026, following the granting of financial clearance. Or say point 3 no ehoni hear me pa. Or say the process will be competitive, transparent, and guided by an approved quota system across all cadre and year groups. Now, 2, no, say recruitment will be decentralized and conducted at the district level based on verified vacancies. Now, over point 2, no, energy because ye won simbi a yet to say, nanu ya say a doctor for be cry, post to maybe anko because areas ye don't more fin say honomunya inti. When I saw the district level placement, no say na district bia no ye behwe district no nipa wo hia na oma ye recruitment akọ nti we apply to the district na ya foul no. I was okay because ebema health aye decentralized enko ye te say ubia wo krumu nko a ebeko kombia me apia ye nya nurse for ho na omuso atimi akọ ye adwuma ne apomden aso ye adwuma efo bi. But the big question na ewo issue mu ne the point 3, Jeff Safabra Mami, which talked about the mixed batches. I will say the process will be competitive, transparent, guided by an approved quota system across all cadre and year groups. Specification na amemu say ebia say ye anesifo a ye fa wo mi safa nesifo de no so bra mame anesifo a ye fa wo mi ebia eye this year batch and a year foul. We ended that one. Was 15,947 nurses and midwives. One specific year. Or man specify baby or more for free. And that is a major concern. Because Bakono can say all year groups, meaning say yes, Nina, what year 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, Nina, no, I say Yakegum, Fenipa 15,947. But, Yenim say, when it comes to nursing recruitment, near Tiani say, nursing skills in Tino, say Nipani Tnefiecha, na nins, I to say, na a free ho, a free ninsa, Akokoa, say, Nimdiano, say, Intino, say Nipani Betnefia chepi, no dear, yana, moi, enti, the tradition, and I said, yana, and penny for tie pa, say, almost a year group wa atne fie ache na ya fa de free ho na e basa kusibra ye bedru almost so abefofo no so na ye de o mawuram. But this change is calling for say we are abefo say we a year ago say we 6 months say we din we tu ni nyina agum na ya fa nipa kakra bi, that's 15,000. The entire make us a nipa kakra bi no metro mu. But Sabe in previous common sense betray say those who have waited long no omo atena fia cha omo nim de no ebeko kwantem no ebe sei ntem no ese edi kan fa omo entem eja omo ebia afei na omo abamu no elisi etu ni nyina afra in the name of say being transparent. When we are talking about transparency, now your sounds what fairness and efficiency so any effectiveness so very very much important. Now the entire make us a nipa kakra bi ne say Honorable Minta Akando Ankasa Kasai latter part of last year na ochreche anesefo a egufie Enie, also speaking in Parliament, we know a Parliament no wakasa. Mr. Akando provided detailed breakdown of figures, highlighting the scale of unemployment among nurses, allied health professionals, pharmacists, and medical doctors. Baby Amasanya so according to him, the number of unemployed nurses stands at 48,878. Now, which chemua, or 15,000 bra Facebook berade, 15,947. A year 2021 batch. 17,176 year 2022, 15,755 a year 2023 batch omina etifi. Na your vacancy of 15,947 na ma adwene ye me say ebia ye fa wo mu ache wo fie no, which is 2021 batch according to Minta Akando our figures yi ma no. But Tony Goodman follow up press release or the by say they are picking all year groups, which ojene ho a onte ase because say ye fa bi mpo a omo atena fiache compared to 2023 2024 2022 ni ade no eye 2021 for ne na ache, and the vacancy I see am financial clearance no so no fit the number of 2021 for ni nyina. Because according to Minta Akando, we have 15,947. Vacancies were by 15,947. Etidintina again declare and say we are picking 2021 batch. Omo young crofo matene fie ache ye. Because se woka se wo bie mama nurses fo ni nyina year batch ni nyina no a. It means that all the vacancy of 15,000 at wa nurse fo be 48,800 and ekopre, which is illogical. Which is illogical and undermine fairness, because there are professions when it comes to nursing, it's all about seniority, any rank. And to say, obidi kan wie sukua. Apart from some age, we saw better if your money nimdia no asay na skills ukura ne be say no. Onunu any ni junior wo school no wedi kan awie aba out about the service I attachment, having recognized everything about the hospital. It just onu di kan nya an appointment ekoya adwuma no. Ye tu frase ya de tie ne say omo a edi na chi ni nyina betumi abenya akwanya abe sign ho. And I don't understand why your person yes we etufra. Ye nim say that will not help when it comes to health service delivery. Because psychologically no krano when him say oh me real school kane me try me bia because NMC exams which is licensure no and the man nurse need to me bia say or qualify so to me ye adwuma wo Ghana ha NMC nyama ne license wo to me ye adwuma or qualify wiase ba bia so to me ko ye adwuma etidi ne si kwan say ye be ne systematic say eye batch by batch said ye no na ba ye tu afra. What is the interest here? Sempeninfo antimi ankyere se oh yaya research bi e kyere se omo edi akire no omo nim die wo soro chen omo edi kan wie dada no dia ana ya anye ye ni data bi a e back decision a ye make sisi no se ye tu omo fra and ye nya quality nurses. Why taking this decision? Is there any proof that the new batches and a new batch of nurses are better than the old ones who have completed? Maybe so. Yaya research bi amana kire say nurse fo a omo edi kan wie ye omo tifie no omo nya de sin omo a awie sese no do omo nyina study the same curriculum esua de kro wo school edi wie edi enti ne ye jump aka ni nyina bom na ebe wi ase no de wawie 2021 watena fia for almost about 5 years and I mean fan say 4 years roughly. Na obi be wie 2023 and 2024 ebia wono no wawie school be a year or 2 or be sign de watena fie 4 years no ho ene no abe pre appointment no no abenya agya no. It means that you wawie 2021 betimi atena fie 10 years na onya adwuma. Are we serious? Who made this decision? Are we really serious? Medical what ya say otifie nyina so na ni nimde no ekokwa enti time a wo be fa na dwuma no be 8 years 10 years time no ono atena fie akyesa no na ni nimde akokwa nipa no wo be kum wo mo nipa en wo be kum wo mo sense wo atena fie ama no mampo a wasua no on practice enti ni rafi ade research ni haje say omo awie sese ni bia omo ye better than omo awie kane no te no dey ameti ase. If not, this decision is no go area. Medical what you say, as for district level number application, no, some be the mini problem because I see a decentralized health. But jumping one batch, it is going to be a problem for the health system. And you all know this. You all know this. I didn't see the NSA. There must be measures set imposebia. Ye pese ye fa nurses ewo districts near the Nakota na ye be no. Ye bie di ama 2021 for ma tena fia chedodo. Eti ye bie di ama wo mo. Se ye fa omne bia nurse fo no truly ebi atukwan. Ebi ko baabi omo antumi apply anase binom fin se omkra nurse no omo nya biem omo koye adwuma foforo na se 2021 fo ni nyina apply wie na ekwan da akire a eno ye betumi apia 2022 fo abehim ekwan da akire biem a ye betumi apia 2023 fo abehim. But you don't go and mix all of them together. Ebe wi ase no e de katasehye proye dwirim kankan e na ebeba because ne onim obi e na ebefa no. Near onim yenim Ghana ha said yet. Near onim obi and ye befano. It will be between a older batch 2021, but onim obi enti, onim politician BNT, or bet ye be 10 years. Now unya appointment yemfano. But MP biba, politician biba, party member biba be H enra ya in the national service. 1 month penny a fan no yejuma. Is that the reason why we want to mix up the batches? And now, what informed this decision? Because my chair will say, per the letter now about bunting for recruitment, the vacancy is 15,947. 2021 for the number mintan kando na tina parliament kai 15,947 for 2021. And what prevents you from being specific? Say number way kwama this older batch 2021. Ye wiene bi ka kira ye biema ma omo so aba foforo kakra. Na yetu ni nyina afra interest ne de wo he It is bad. This will not help the service. No credit catch them. No senior catch them. This will not help the service. Ebema ebinuma tenefia bon because the skills no tenefia che. Eti da obefa no no obekum nipa. Let's start from the bottom. Omo ache ofie no na yemfam from na. Senye se bi ye pese corruption na koso anase ye nepotism favoritism na ye ade enkrofo wurawura mu dia. Menti ase se sa ade we be koso. Menti ase se wo mu edi kan ko ya ye se afoforo nyina tim benya mu chefa. Over the year interval ebe hadwene honorable Minta Kando monwene hu biem this decision will affect the health system if you go ahead with this decision. Let the recruitment be based on seniority. Omo a ewie kane a womo tenafie ache a womo nim de ne be se kwa no yen hyase mfiri ho. Ebi ka kire a ne de ba. That is my take on the issue. Eno ne beboa ye. Don't mess up. If there is no personal interest in this, ebi obi perswadi ye ni bibia. Yenya is ade no. It doesn't show fairness. A bit transparent, but the fairness will be missing. Because enye fair, so obi atena fi ache. Na ni junior no wie sisi a no, aba benya adwuma agya no. It's not fair. Yenim se vacancy ni sha. Na wo se nipa bebrebe wa kom nyina atu mom nkopre. Meanwhile, you know that it's based on batches. That is a wrong decision. And mun checking ye. In Nhyira 104.5. Ebusu ameba.